Good morning, Steve with CCI. And today's Feature Friday. Have you ever gotten a message on your smartphone that was basically from an app that you had downloaded from a retail store, maybe inviting you to come back or providing you a coupon or just giving you an update about what's going on in their business? Did you know that you can do that within FastCard and Flex as well? That's what we're going to show you today. So we're going to start by logging into our account. I've got a test account here, and as typical, your dashboard will be presented to you every time you log in. And this is actually quite simple. You're going to go to the Loyalty tab, and in the Loyalty tab, you'll see a number of menus that you will navigate to, and you'll look for the Marketing menu. We call this our Marketing Messages section, and essentially what you can do is filter all of the users that have downloaded the app that visit your store, and based on various criteria, could be when they created their account, based on their last activity, and then you can drill down to when the last time they visited the store, how much money they have on the card. The idea is that you create a filter of users that you want to send a tailored message to. So this is a demo system, so I'm just going to put in some data that I know will result in some users coming back. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh this. And so we've put in basically some data that will allow us to see a bunch of users in our test account, and I can scroll through and I can see all of the mobile card users that basically fit this creation date and last activity date. And then you'll see that there are filter options across the column headers here that allow me to drill down even further. So if I wanted to only send messages to users that have not been in the store in 30 days, that's a very common use case, then I can go over here to this last visit column and basically say, show me users last visited between, and we can just put beginning of time here. Let's just say 1990. And then, and let's say they haven't been here in the last 30 days, so we can even use our calendar picker. And so we'll go back and pick December 31st and then hit filter. So now it gives us this huge list of people that have not been in the store in the last 30 days, and I want to send them a custom message. So what you can do here is if you can scroll through the results here, and if there's people you don't want included in here that you happen to know, you can deselect them, or if you want to choose everybody in this list, you choose the all option. And then down below is where you can draft your message. So just like an email, this is kind of like a text message actually, you can go ahead and create a subject. And so we're going to go ahead and say, "We miss you," as our subject. And then you can start to draft a message that includes details from their account. So that's what a merge tag is. So I can say, "Hi," and since we're going to send it to a lot of people, I don't want to write everybody's name out. I can go in here and I can choose first name. And then I can continue to write my message and continue to insert these merge tags that will draw information in from the user's account so that it feels more personalized. So I've got one copied over here that I'm just going to paste over to save a few moments. And we will take a look at it. Essentially, it says, "Hi, first name. It's been some time since we saw you here at last location." So you have more than one location. It will know which location they're at last. You still have credit, so it'll announce how much money you still have on your card. And then come on in before the end of the month and use coupon code "miss you" for a $5 bonus. So we would have configured a coupon titled "miss you" that allows them to apply at any time. And then we just say here, it says send message to, there are 33 users that qualify for that. We're going to click send, gives us a little preview of what this is going to look like on the device. And if we're ready to send, we're going to hit send. Takes a few moments. It's going to go up to the cloud servers and then propagate all to the user's devices. And I'll pop up on the screen here what it looks like on the device itself. But that is marketing messages. You can send them as often as you like. Your imagination is the only limiting factor here of how you want to communicate with your customers. So that is Feature Friday today, marketing messages.